Nintendo DS Lite Wi-Fi connectivity explained.
Hello and welcome to this explanatory guide. Today, we are discussing the requirements for Nintendo DS Lite Wi-Fi connectivity. This compact and lightweight device might be old, but it still packs a punch when it comes to entertaining gaming sessions. We'll delve into how you can get your Nintendo DS Lite connected to Wi-Fi for multiplayer games and downloading additional game content.
What is the Nintendo DS Lite?
The Nintendo DS Lite is a portable game console released by Nintendo in 2006. It's the successor to the original Nintendo DS and features a more sleek and lightweight design. This device includes two screens, with the bottom one being touch-sensitive. Additionally, it has a built-in microphone and supports Wi-Fi connectivity, which we are focusing on today.
What are the requirements for Wi-Fi connectivity?
To connect your Nintendo DS Lite to Wi-Fi, you'll need a few things. 1. Nintendo DS Lite. Of course, you need your device on hand, fully charged, or connected to a power source. 2. Wireless router. The DS Lite uses 802.11b per gram wireless networking, so you'll need a compatible wireless router. 3. Internet connection. A broadband internet connection is required. 4. WEP security or unsecured network. DS Lite is only compatible with WEP security or unsecured networks. Newer security protocols like WPA or WPA2 are not supported. So, if your network uses WPA or WPA2, you may need to temporarily switch to WEP or remove security entirely. Please note that changing your wireless security can impact other devices connected to your network. It's important to consider this before making changes, as it could potentially expose your network to vulnerabilities.
How to set up Wi-Fi connectivity.
Once you have all the necessary equipment, follow these steps to set up your Wi-Fi connection on your DS Lite. 1. From the main menu of your DS Lite, go to the System Settings. 2. Then go to Internet Settings. 3. Select Connection Settings and choose an available connection slot. 4. Select Search for an access point. 5. Your DS Lite will search for any wireless networks in range. Select your network from the list. 6. If your network is secured, you will be prompted to enter the WEP key. 7. Once entered, the DS Lite will test the connection. Remember, all these steps are necessary for getting your Nintendo DS Lite connected to Wi-Fi. That wraps up our guide to the requirements for Nintendo DS Lite Wi-Fi connectivity. While the DS Lite might not support the newest Wi-Fi standards, it's still perfectly capable of getting online for multiplayer fun and game downloads. Remember to always consider the security implications of your Wi-Fi settings and enjoy your gaming.